So Alexa, how was your first day?
Good.
Do you like your teacher?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Mrs. Shane.
Mrs. Chang?
Mrs. Shane.
Is she nice?
Yeah, so nice. Ow!
Did you make some friends today?
Yeah.
What are their names?
I forgot the name. Sorry.
You forgot your friends' names?
Yeah, sorry.
Did you play games at recess?
Yeah.
What'd you play?
Monkey ball.
You did? Did you play tag?
Nope.
How was lunch?
Yummy, 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 yummy.
What did you eat?
Sandwich, 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 sandwich.
Honey, that's too close. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited to go back tomorrow?
Yeah.
You said you have to bring your PE clothes for tomorrow?
What?
Do you have to bring PE clothes for exercising tomorrow?
Being close?
PE, that's what it's called.
PE?
Yep.
What does that even mean?
PE, physical education.
What?